a lot of time again, so I decided to try this. So this is my first recorded video, so please bear with me. There's this viral video that have been going on all over the internet since yesterday. Now it is about Baba Jesha. We all knew what happened 2021 when Baba Jesha was, because I was not there, so was arrested and detained for molestation of minor. That was the reason he was detained. But to my surprise, Baba Jesha came out 2 days ago. Yeah, and if you all remember, I was one of the bloggers that made the video for Baba Jesha. Nonsense, yeah. Now that is not the point of contention. So Baba Jesha was detained for like 3-4 years. I'm not sure. Now I am not trying to support what they allege Baba Jesha did. But what I'm out this morning is that what power to release Baba Jesha. Princess Waposita Lano, Ownrant, Onikopi offenders list, I want to molest your mother. Now this is my question. Nigerians, please forget about the messenger. Listen to the message. Yeah? Now, Eja Kati people be more legend. If that incident eventually about 4 years ago, Shengbomi. Princess Jadisita, only Baba Jesha Wasili, only one molest or more. Only our Yoruba Olushimo Baba Jesha. Only one date Baba Jesha tele. Only one date Baba Jesha. I want gossip for partners but Baba Jesha all of a sudden, only Baba Jesha call love, Baba Jesha. If one work with joy because only Kokola be ito ato ọmọkùnrin lára ọmọ yẹn wá pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ọmọ yẹn wá sọ fún pé Baba Jesha ni ṣe ń gbọ́ mi òun wá pé Baba Jesha pé pàtó ń pé Baba Jesha gan òun ní òun fẹ́ jẹ́ kó wá bóun shoot eré ni so Baba Jesha wá bí ìdá pé relationship ti wà láàrin wọn ti ń gbọ́n sí fúnra wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹn but that is not the bone of contention based on nǹkan tí princess sọ ń gbà yẹn ṣe yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wà escalated wọ́n show video. I read video. But one thing to realize on social media is that our Nigerians, we work with emotions a lot and we are very quick to judge. I don't blame us. Even not the fault victim, I'm going to be flashing your memory back to when Mohbad died. When Mohbad died, Iyabo Ojo came out. She told us, Naira Marley at Sam Larry looked at Mohbad. We were not very quick to think. We followed what she said. And we started castigating Naira Marley. Naira Marley looked at Mohbad. Naira Marley looked at Mohbad. Not knowing that Iyabo had a personal vendetta for Naira Marley. To the extent where Iyabo only protest here, cancel Naira Marley. All Nigerians followed her. They canceled Naira Marley. Initially, when Mohbad's case started, I supported her, I promoted her, I shared the video. But come on now. But interview with Naira Marley. Yeah? That is not where I'm going this morning. It is high time we ask people when they come online to cry, give us the full story. We need evidence. Am I communicating? Now that's not the point of contention. So if I actually Iyabo Ojo wa tún pé ó frame everything more Naira Marley ni pé Naira Marley ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ nípa gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. And we saw a lot of evidences. Àti báyìí mo ti wò pé no. And we go deeper anytime anybody come online to tell us stories. So, ìgbà tó wá ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣe ń bọ̀, ìjẹta tó wá release Baba Jesha, ìjọba update pé Baba Jesha ti wá release pé gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ nípa Baba Jesha was fallacy, was all lies. Even though I jókòó, mo think deep because I don't follow the crowd. I'm a lady with a crown. You don't feed me, you don't give me money. So why would I follow what you say? I have my own reasoning faculty. Many of these posts on social media, because, they believe all these celebrities will feed them or people that they will support will give them money. They will see the truth, but they will never follow it. I'm not like that. I think with my medulla oblongata. So when Baba Jesha was released, I read all what Yomi updated. He said the court had freed Baba Jesha. Everybody was happy for Baba Jesha. But people came out to celebrate Baba Jesha. Yeah? And Princess came out immediately again. Princess Daddy again oníkọ̀ọ̀kan dé bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà kan tì mọ́ confisi sex offenders kìnnìkan. Now that is not the bone of contention. Princess ìwọ ni fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ láàárọ̀ move closer to me. You know when you started pé bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà bá ọmọ tó gbé side ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀sán ó gba àwọn group of ladies kan tẹ́lẹ̀ sí police station. Now mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́yìn Nigerians bá mi kọ́kọ́ bí Princess where are the group of ladies? Tẹ́bá sì kó báyìí jọ tẹ́tí pé ẹ fẹ́ gang up against yàn ẹ fẹ́ parọ́ mọ́ yàn táṣìkí bá títú ẹ̀ tún ká ní that is number one. Number two, Princess oníkan mú fún oníkójú sílẹ̀ kí ló tún fẹ́? Wọ́n ti mú bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà allegedly ẹ sọ pé bọ́mọ sùn up to today gbogbo ẹ̀yin Nigerians àrí birth certificate tó confirm pé minor lọmọ yẹn. Number two, wọ́n ní ọmọ kan orúkọ tó ń jẹ́ bí Adáramọ́lá or something wọ́n ní níbo àwọn princess ni up to today ààrẹ ọmọ yẹn ní court láti wá make clarification nípa àkọ́ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n ní ọmọ yẹn I will be saying allegedly because àwọn Yomi ti ń sọ láti jẹ but nobody listen to them. Now wọ́n ní ọmọ yẹn ti ń bá ọmọ yẹn sùn and age tó gbé ọmọ yẹn is not minor. Princess, before you want Nigerians to listen to you, we want to see the birth certificate of that girl to say she's a minor. Mi sọ pé nǹkan tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ti ṣe dá because wọ́n sọ pé nǹkan tọkùnrin bá mọ̀ jẹ àbí nǹkan tí yàn bá mọ̀ jẹ ló máa ń pààyàn nǹkan tá a bá mọ̀ jẹ ò ní pa wá lórúkọ Jésù. Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà wọ́n mọ̀ pé she is a womanizer. Problem ẹ̀ nìyẹn and Princess used it against him to capture him. According to the story, wọ́n náà pé kó wá shoot film ni and they set him up because ultimately kan tó mọ̀ jẹ ni. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé Princess sọ ìgbà tó wá sọ pé bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà kò lẹ́sìn ọmọ yẹn. Ó sọ pé boyfriend òun ni bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà pé all of a sudden bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà kàn lọ òun ò gbúwẹ̀ mọ́. Ẹ má gbàgbé ẹ̀yin Nigerians ó lè jẹ́ pé out of ìbínú pé ó jẹ mi ó fi mílẹ̀ ó lọ. Ìbínú yẹn ló yìí wá lára Princess tó ń vet ní bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà báyìí sí. Princess ó ti ní bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ṣe báyìí the fact pé ààrẹ evidence mo wá rí àwọn Nigerians tó sọ pé ẹ ṣe bí court ti sọ ẹ má gbàgbé pé the same court lórí gbogbo nǹkan tí Àṣàlá ṣe fún Mohbad yes wọ́n sọ pàṣàlà ò ṣe wọ́n sọ pàṣàlà ó lè máa rìn freely on the streets of Nigeria. Ẹ má gbàgbé we have a lawless country called Nigeria. Anything can happen so far you have your money so far you know people that can back you up. Yeah, that's not the bone of contention now. People say that if Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà was truly innocent the court will not have detained him. Yeah, now we are dealing with Nigerians and people in Nigeria. It doesn't work like that. Princess o ti sọ pé Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà ṣe wọ́n dẹ̀ ti mú kí wọ́n ilẹ̀ kó tó sùn ṣọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀ pé ṣé ẹ bá wa Princess pé ṣọ́ọ̀dù pé Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà ó gbọ́nṣẹ́ ó dẹ̀ jà sílẹ̀ ni àbí ṣọ́ọ̀dù ìpàdé bá pa ni mi sọ pé àtìkọ́ tí Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà ṣe mo dẹ̀ ti sọ ọtí pé mo máa rí evidence pé minor lọmọ yẹn because anything can happen on this social media now and I want to advise you all. If anybody come out to cry to you, because women especially, they are fond of coming online to make a crocodile tears. That's why I'm always saying to people that, Amy, I want mama support. I'm not part of those people that say women supporting nonsense, women supporting stupid things. I'm not part of them. If you are women and I see that, in control shoulder, I will call you out. Yeah? Now, Princess, before I can support what you are saying, we want to see the birth certificate of that lady. And I want you to bring that neighbor to support him. But she wants to bring back to Princess Kokobota. Only Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà fake ó fi já ìbálẹ̀ ọmọ yẹn. That there is no evidence here. And you are coming out now crying, ranting, disturbing others. Because ọmọ Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà padà, wọ́n ti mọ́lé, ó yìí máa bá àwọn èèyàn sùn. Ṣé boyfriend ẹni? Ṣé bó ìgbà mo ṣe pé tó bá yẹ pé lóòótọ́ ló ń bọ́ ọmọ yẹn sọ ọmọ yẹn á ti sọ fún ẹ. But you kept quiet because oyin yẹn enjoy yẹn gbà yẹn. Now wá já ìsìlẹ̀ ẹ wá fẹ́ máa jẹ ẹ jẹ́ kó rí gbogbo yín pé o. Ẹ jẹ́ kó rí gbogbo yín pé o. Please just leave us alone. Princess, deal with it. And Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà, this is my advice to you. If truly you are innocent, as Yomi claimed, you need to come out and let the world know that you are innocent. If Naira Marley had kept quiet when Iyabo Ojo accused him, up till today, people will still be calling him Apayan. But he came out to clear himself, irrespective of what people said about him. Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà, if truly you did not do what the Princess said you did, come out and clear yourself. Come out because tó bá clear rẹ̀ mi kò máa ṣe show fine. I don't support nonsense.
Ẹ wo ṣe rí ọmọ ọkùnrin Yomi Fábíyì o ọmọ ọkùnrin kì í ṣe ọmọ àlè. Ó mà tún pẹ́rẹ́pẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó ẹ̀sẹ̀ jáde tó ẹ̀sẹ̀ ní freedom. Ó ní Princess yìí pé ẹ̀wọ̀n gbére ni wọ́n fẹ́ kí wọ́n rán Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ó ní ẹ̀wọ̀n gbére kí la gbé kí la jù ṣùgbọ́n náà sì bímọ àbí ṣé tá a bá ń jà ṣé bí ká kú ni. Ó ní lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ àtìlẹ́yìn Ọlọ́run àti àtìlẹ́yìn òun Yomi Fábíyì ń tá àwọn ikọ̀ ìlà àbá máa wí èrò ọ̀tá kò ní ṣe lórí ayé yín kò ní ṣe lórí ayé wa. Ẹ ká jọ wọ fídíò yìí ká dẹ̀ share rẹ̀ kí ẹ dẹ̀ fi àtẹ̀ránṣẹ́ tí yín náà jíṣẹ́. bẹ́ẹ̀.
I don't believe in that sort of thought. And I fight for what is right. I stand by my truth. I stand by whatever I stand for. Okay, now let's start with the case when it did happen. Actually, what Princess Comedian plotted, what she orchestrated, when our criminals beat here, what they organized, what they planned, what they cooked up, was for Baba Ijesha to be sentenced to life imprisonment. That was our desire. That was what they thought they would achieve. And that was what was charged and was, put before the man. Baba Ijesha at that time could let it go because they put up the narrative until Pyro.
Yes. Season 5.
He just came out this morning to lie that so don't forget.
African bunch. Should be
Baba Ijesha, it's a lie. You lied that Baba Ijesha bought Modumeji, which turned out to be a total lie. And we fought seriously against that. As a human rights organization with very brilliant lawyers, they fought and we were able to establish the truth, not just because there is process of the law. Evidence is to get a war princess at your locker, as your fellowship. You see, the police came honest. And the police came out into the Lutio Dani. And it's because the state government was involved that everybody always believed that government does not lose the case. But it took the risk that we have to take and face the government. Because in the case file, in the docket that was sent to government, one read that they know that after Baba Ijesha was lured to come and act movie, he was princess, and I go you lured him to come and act movie, and the evidence was entered in court and admitted, even by the government lawyer, they could not refute it. You invited him for a movie via WhatsApp and via Instagram DM. And that was why you placed that girl, a very young adult, before Baba Ijesha asked the film. The justice system in Lagos State. So that you can know the evil. And you look at what the media did. If not because we were the assembly, our people will be in court against her. And we're still going to come for it. I don't want you to I will still come for you. And we don't I'm a human rights activist. I don't do selective activism. And I don't do sentiment. I believe in the rule of law. I know people like you are still out there lying and hiding behind abuse, rape, to destroy people's lives. But we will teach people like you lesson. So, my people, when this princess cleverly invited Baba Ijesha to come and act movie in her house, she wants to do his kids, and then she lied to her co-travelers.
Ọ̀mí Fábíyì ti padà sọ̀rọ̀ sókè o nípa fídíò tí Princess tó ṣe láàárọ̀ yìí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Baba Ijesha ṣe gbogbo ọ̀la rí fọ́nrán náà. Princess ò ní kí àwọn òbí kí wọ́n kó àwọn ọmọ wọn sábẹ́ nítorí Baba Ijesha ó fẹ́ràn láti máa gbà pátá nídìí ọmọ kéékèèké. Onítọ́ bá dẹ̀ ti ṣe irú nǹkan báyìí yóò sì júbẹ̀ ìwòrò. Bọ̀ Yomi Fábíyì ti jáde o láti wá tako ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Yomi Fábíyì sọ. Ẹ dákun ẹ̀dá bàbá mi ṣe ẹ̀fọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ ní kókó nílé kó kàlejò lára lọ́wọ́ láìkí náà ó ti ṣe kókó. Ẹ ṣe mo dúpẹ́ Yomi Fábíyì ó yá gbóhùn sókè.
I don't believe in that sort of thought. And I fight for what is right. I stand by my truth. But the follow of Abula Lane Kusari. I stand by whatever I stand for. What my Badelu I try. So now let's start with the case when it did happen. Naturally, what Princess Comedian plotted, what she orchestrated, when our criminals beat here, what they organized, what they planned, what they cooked up, was for Baba Ijesha to be sentenced to life imprisonment. That was our desire. That was what they thought they would achieve. And that was what was charged and was, put before the man. Baba Ijesha at that time could let it go because they put up the narrative until Pyro.
Sọ pé angel ni Mr. Latin ṣùgbọ́n mo kọ́ ọ̀kan.
He just came out this morning to lie that ẹ̀sùn tó ń fi kàn.
Nígbà tá a ṣe máa ń travel.
Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ó ti lọ sí sáré. It's a lie.
Even tó bá
You lied that Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà bá ọmọ ọdún méjì sùn.
jalo.
Which turned out to be a total lie. And we fought seriously against that. As a human rights organization, we very brilliant lawyers. They fought and we were able to establish the truth, not just by because there is process of the law. Evidence tó jẹ́ pé ìwọ princess àti ọlọ́pàá àti ìjọba tẹ lọ ṣe níbi ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí sí the police came honest and the police came out nítorí ìlú tí ò dání. And it's because Lagos state government was involved that everybody always believe that government does not lose the case. But it took the risk that we have to take that face the government. Because in the case file, in the docket that was sent to government, one read that after Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà was lured to come and act movie, he was princess, you lured him to come and act movie. And the evidence was tendered in court and admitted, even by the government lawyer, they could not refute it. You invited him for a movie via WhatsApp and via Instagram DM. And that was why you placed that girl, a very young adult, to form Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà active film. The justice system in Lagos State. So that you can know the evil. And you look at what the media did. You know, because we were in Saturday, our people being caught against her. And we were still going to come for it. I know what you can. I will still come for you. And we don't even believe in it. I'm a human rights activist. I don't do selective activism. And I don't do sentiment. I believe in the rule of law. I know people like you are still out there lying and hiding behind abuse, rape, to destroy people's lives. But we will teach people like you lesson. We told my people. When this princess cleverly invited Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà to come and act movie in her house, she wants to do a skit. And then she lied to her co-travelers that when the girl was 7 years old, Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà had sex with the girl, and another time he used khaki to approach her vagina. She added that to make that look real, only look like it is true. She now organized a crime. She packaged an invitation, stuff, and invited Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà to come and act movie. And we all could see that the same girl was so comfortable around Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. But the only problem, that was actually a date for flirting. You know, the point is this. We have to understand something, Nigerians. There are some natural tendencies that belongs to every human. She orchestrated and organized flirting. She ambushed Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà into that misfortune. Come and act movie and placed a young adult, a girl that has been actively having sex, to come and play that role. More age to fellow for money. And she placed around Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà, coached the girl into Mashiri. It was a different ballgame. And lo and behold, they did whatever they want to do. She recorded everything went the way she wanted. Police took Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà to police station. After touching Loshileshi, they were trying to force him to admit to the crime. I'm still going to go back to my family. I don't believe in that school of thought. And I fight for what is right. I stand by my truth. I stand by whatever I stand for. Okay, now let's start with the case where they did happen. Naturally, what Princess Comedian plotted what orchestrated pẹ̀lú àwọn criminals bíi tiẹ̀, what they organized, what they planned. That was our desire. That was what they thought they would achieve. And that was what was charged and was, put before the man. But I just at that time could let it go because they've put up the narrative until Pyro. He just came out this morning to lie that so don't forget. It's a lie. You lied that Baba Ijesha bá ọmọ ọdún méjì sùn, which turned out to be a total lie, and we fought seriously against that. As a human rights organization with very brilliant lawyers, they fought and we were able to establish the truth, not just because there is process of the law. Evidence is to jẹ́ pé ìwọ princess àti ọlọ́pàá àti ìjọba tẹ lọ ṣe níbi tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí sí, the police came honest. And the police came out nítorí ìlú tí ò dání. And it's because Lagos State government was involved and everybody always believe that government does not lose in the health case. But it took the risk that we have to take and face the government. Because in the case file, the docket that was sent to government, after Baba Ijesha was lured to come and act movie, you were princess, and you lured him to come and act movie, and the evidence was entered in court and admitted, even by the government lawyer, they could not refute it. You invited him for a movie via WhatsApp and via Instagram DM. And that was why you placed that girl, a very young adult. The justice system in Lagos State. So that you can know the evil. And you look at what the media did. If not because people in the salon, people will be in court against her. And we're still going to come for it. I don't want you to listen. I will still come for you. And you don't believe I'm a human rights activist. I don't do selective activism. And I don't do sentiment. I believe in the rule of law. I know people like you are still out there lying and hiding behind abuse, rape, to destroy people's lives. I will teach people like you lesson. So, my people, when this princess cleverly invited Baba Ijesha to come and act movie,